If you're a producing agent and would like to scale your real estate sales business, earn passive income through ancillary partnership ventures, and ultimately build wealth through alongside forward-looking individuals, you may want to pay attention to this video. Create multiple streams of income by ownership in mortgage and title company. Revenue share income by sponsoring agents to join our brokerage. Not only this platform allows you to grow your real estate sales business, but most importantly, it allows you to generate income from other sources without you slinging homes for the rest of your life. We help agents just like you in our brokerage to go from zero to selling tens of millions of dollars in real estate every single year, earning thousands of dollars a month from sponsoring agents to join our brokerage. If you're experiencing a bottleneck in your business, we're promising you, in fact, we're guaranteeing that we'll be able to help you in solving that issue and helping you ultimately to grow your business, double your business, or triple your business with our organization. Hi, my name is Alankushmakov. I'm a founder and CEO of Best Homes Real Estate, Best Rate Home Loans, and Best Homes Title Company. In the past 9 years as a real estate agent, team leader, as well as broker owner, I sold hundreds of homes, did hundreds of millions of dollars in sales revenue, formed my own team. At one point, we had 17 agents on the team, and in the last 2 years, we launched our own brokerage, onboarded over 200 agents, did 1,200 transactions, and we as a company, we're growing. And our purpose as a company every single day is to provide value to our agents and make sure they're experiencing growth in their business, not through just selling homes, but also accumulating wealth through real estate investments and income streams. So here's the deal. We have built this proven model that will help you with your real estate business. And if you feel like this is going to be a good fit for you, schedule a call with me. Would love to chat with you, learn more about you, your business, and see if this is going to be a great opportunity for both of us.